scalar
Okay,
multiple of 5,
so-
then it'd be
So
the same
these are
line.
parallel.
Are these two lines parallel? Why or why not?
Yes.
No.
They are
No?
parallel.
No, because one's a scalar
middle
multiple of
one.
the other.
Okay, so what do you mean one's a scalar multiple of the
Their
other?
slopes are different.
Okay, so this one's slope is
5, 5, 5.
5, 5, 5,
And then the other's 1, 1, 1.
and the other one's slope is 1, 1, 1.
But can't it be said that
So one
5,
just
5,
moves
5?
faster.
Yeah, perfect. They're just running on different time scales.
Oh,
See that?
But they are
Yes.
parallel.
But they are parallel because the slopes are constant multiple of one another. Right? This
Oh.
Okay.
The vectors are parallel.
okay.
You guys see that?
Yeah.
Now, are these parallel non-intersecting or parallel intersecting? Oops.
Well,
How are
they're
they
not the same.
How are they intersected if parallel?
They figured it out.
If they were parallel intersecting, would they be the same line?
So, are they the same line or different line?
They're different lines.
But what if you had like
Definitely different lines.
Plug in t equals 0, and are they the same vector?
Plug in t equals 0.
No, they're not.
Okay, so this one sort of starts at, right?
This actually looks like it could be.
1, 2, 3. Yeah? And the other one, H, that one sort of starts at
Negative 1, 0, 1.
negative 1, 0, 1, right?
what if your line was like 5, 10, 15? What would be parallel to that?
Oh, hang on.
Okay.
There's an issue here. What if I did H evaluated at t as 2?
You get the same.
In other words, what's H of 2?
You get 1, 1, 2, 3.
And then at t is 0, and then you 1, 2, 3 also.
You guys see that? 1, 2, 3 is H of 2, but it's also L of 2. Or L of,
You mean
not
L
2.
0.
I mean L of 0.
Yeah.
So it would be cross them and get 0 vector.
I don't need to. So I know that when I'm at time 2 on H, I'm at the same point I would be on
L.
L at time 0. What does that mean?
H
So
is
they
the
are the same line.
They are the same line. You guys see that?
Okay.
So to check for the same line, you need the same slope, and then you need to check all the time equalities, right? So really, you should do the same thing. You should set this equation equal to this equation, except you can't use t's in both of them.
Would you
Yeah.
be able to set just one as a constant, plug something in for one of them, so you have anywhere along the line, if you have anywhere along the other line that matches up?
Yep. Yeah, you could do that too. You guys see that? So because I know they're parallel, right? If they're parallel and they intersect, any point along the line L is going to be in the equation for H, right? So I really could say, okay, look, since I know they're parallel, there's going to be a time t for H that hits L at time 0.
But no.
If they
Or
are.
the other way around.
Doesn't that one start a lot sooner? So what would be,
It'll just be a negative time.
uh,
But I'll get a solution. So the deal is this, right? This trick only works with parallel lines, right? Parallel lines are either going to look like this, they're never going to hit, or they're going to overlap. They're going to hit all the time. You guys see that? So if they're going to actually hit all the time, I can just pick a time, set it equal to the other equation, and solve. If I get a consistent t value out of it, I'll be good.
Okay.
Cool. That may be more robust and less clever ways to just set them equal to each other, solve for s and t, sort it out. Cool. Questions, thanks? Yeah.
So if your line was like 5t, 10t, 15t, would it be parallel if you had like 15t, 20t, 25t? Like the other one, you know what I mean?
Okay, so on this one, these two lines are constant multiples.
Yeah, if it wasn't constant, then
Yeah, then it won't be parallel.
it has to be the same number 3 times.
So on this one, right, because this one's the same number 3 times, any line parallel to it's going to also have the same number 3 times. But really what I'm checking is there a number k so that I take that thing, multiply by k, and get this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So for instance, another pair of parallel lines would be like 3t, 2t, 1t, and
9T.
6, 4, 2.
yeah, 6, 4, 2, or 9, 6,
3.
3 on
Okay.
t's, right? So they've got to be a constant multiple, all coordinates.